Define custom struct type with fields and their types. Create struct instance using field names for clarity and maintainability. This replaces multiple variables with organized data structure. Value receivers work with copies of the struct, safe for read operations. Pointer receivers modify the original struct, essential for updates. Choose based on whether you need to modify the struct. Call methods using dot notation same as field access. Pointer receiver methods automatically handle address conversion. Combine methods with direct field access for complete data manipulation. Embed structs to inherit fields and methods without inheritance. Access embedded fields directly or through type name. This creates composition relationships for code reuse and organization. Embedded structs automatically promote their methods to the containing struct. Add new methods specific to the containing type. This creates flexible composition patterns without traditional inheritance. Compose multiple structs for complex data models. Each embedded struct contributes its fields and methods. Handle field name conflicts by accessing through type name when needed.